Right, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the OR statement in Excel. And it's a statement you typically use together with the if statement. And you use it when, let's say for example, you have two conditions, but only one condition has to be met in order to print out a certain result. So let's just take this example here. So we have a YouTube giveaway, and in order to join the YouTube giveaway, you must either like the video or comment, meaning you must either do you can either do one or the other and you will still be accepted into the giveaway. So looking at this example here, let's see if these participants qualify for the giveaway. So press equals, type in if, then type in OR, and this is where we're going to input our logical statements. So our first statement comes from the liked video category. So if the participant liked the video, then we type in yes here. That's our first condition. And the second condition is if the person commented. So let's just put in yes as well, like this. So those are our logical statements. And now let's complete our if function to input the value of true. So meaning if these conditions are met, meaning if the person liked the video and the person commented, then the person would join the giveaway. So just write down joined giveaway like this. Right. Now if these values are false, then the person has not joined the giveaway. So let's just say not joined like this. Okay, let's close the brackets and let's press enter. Let's copy these formulas down and we get the following. So here Alex, he liked the video, but he did not comment. But anyhow, he still qualifies for the giveaway because he did one or the other, right? And Jamie here did not like the video, but commented. And so he's still eligible for the giveaway, right? But Alice here did not do both of them. She did not like the video and she did not comment, meaning she does not qualify for the giveaway status. Because in order to qualify, you have to do one of these things. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.